model, 67-plate Land Rover Discovery Sport HSETD4 Auto Top Spec Nun Runner Timing Chain Snapped. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 67,495. MOT, the 20th of May 2025. Engine, 1999 CCTD for 180 EU6A. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Nun Runner, timing chain has snapped. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Very clean car which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,475. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.